So now this is your maths class and we will be continuing with our chapter 2, numbers 200 to 1000. Okay, so you all are ready with your notebook and pencil, eraser also. Okay, shall I start now? So now children, tell me, when you come to your class and you all come and sit in your place, and then you say, teacher, this is my place, this is her place, or you say, I was sitting here, this is my place, and then teachers also give you place. So you all have place. So today I will teach you about place value. The numbers are also having their own place. Today we are going to learn about place values. What we will learn today? Place values. Today we will give place to the numbers. Now look here. What is place value? You can see a number here, 562. So place value is the value of a digit according to the position in the number. So what is the position in that number? Now you have learned 100, tens, ones. So how you will give their position, give its place? You will look at the number and you will find out it is in which place. That means it is in hundreds place or tens place or ones place. A 3-digit number has 3 places, and now see 562. So place value of 5 is 500s. You can write like this in the number names, 500s or 500, 500. Now place value of 6 is 6 tens. You can see there 6 tens with the arrow it is shown, or 60. Place value of 2, see 2 ones, 2 is 2 ones or 2. Okay, so these numbers are also having their place, that is in hundreds, tens and ones. You have to look at the number, you have to think 110 ones what you have studied, and accordingly you will decide it is in which place. We can also show this number 562 on the abacus. See, 562. Now on abacus you have drawn the balls also, you know. So like this we can do the place value. Okay. Now children, see here the number is 327. So the place value of this 327, see 300, it is in 3's place value is in hundreds place. 2, that is in 2 is in tens place, and 7 is in ones place. Okay, so 327, and always you have to remember 100, tens, ones whenever the question of place value is given. Okay, now the next one, see here the number is 763. So the place, if I ask what is the place value of 6, you will say the place value of 6 is in tens. Okay, it is 60. If I ask the place value of 7, it is in 100. That is 700. And what is the place value of 3? It is 3 ones. That is 3. Okay, so 100, tens, ones. Again you have done no 100 tens and ones, so it is related. Now see the place value again, 3-digit number 583. So 5 The place value of 5 is 500. You can see here. Now 8 is in 8 tens and 3 is 3 ones. Now the worksheet. Look here. 234, like this you have to do. So 2 is in 200, 3 that is in 3 tens and 4 is in 4 ones. Now the question, you can write it down also. 504, so 5 is in which place? 500, like this. 0 is 0 tens and 4 that is in 4 ones, so it is 4. So 100, 10, 1. Again you will remember like this. Okay. Now the number is 999. The number is 999. This number is, so you will write the places. Now see here, 150 and 432. Okay. Now the next one, fill in the blanks. See, 554 it is given. In 554, 4 is at 1's place. You have to write like this. Now the number is 468. 4 is at 100's place. Now look at the question. 728. 2 is at, which position 2 is at? 10's place. So here you will write like this, tens. So accordingly you will finish the fill in the blanks. 513, 157, 652, 730, 315. So you see, whatever the question is, 513, 1's place is at, again you will write like that. Okay. Now you will finish the work of this fill in the blanks. Now the next page, I will teach you now phase value. Okay. Place value you have understood. Place value will change 100, tens, ones, whatever the place is. But the phase value, do your phase change? No, you change your place, but your phase doesn't change. You sometimes change your place, no, in the first place or second, third, wherever you want. But your phase doesn't change. Like that, the numbers also, their place value change, but the phase value will not change. The phase value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. It does not depend on the position of digit in the number. Look here, the number is 678. The phase value of, if 6 is, it will be the same. It will be not 600. If I was asking the question place value of 6, then it will be 600. But it is asking the place 6 a phase value. So it will be the same. It will not change. Phase value of 9 is, in 897 is 9. It will not change. If the question was place value, then 9 would have been in tens place. It would be 90. But in phase value, it doesn't change. The phase value remains the same. Now look at this number 849. See, the phase value of 9 will be same and the place value will be 9 ones. Now the 4 phase value will be same 4 and the place value will be in 4 tens. Okay, that is 40. Now this 8, the phase value of 8 will be 8. It will not change, but the place value of 8 is in 800s or 800. Okay, is it clear? Both the place value and face value. So in place value, the place change, you have to write it is in which position, 100, tens or ones, but the face value will not change. Okay, now see this worksheet. Write the place value and face value of the digits in red. Okay, see 456. So the place value of this red color 6, you have to answer. 6 is in ones place. 6 ones or 6, and face value will be same. It will not change. Now the next one, 900, 9. So 0. Zero's place value is in which place? Tens. Okay, it is in tens place, or you can write 0 only. Tens place 0, and the face value will be 0 only. Okay, you will write 0 tens, or you can write simply 0. Now 345, its place value is 300, or you can write 3 and then 100, HUNDRED, and the face value will be 3. So like this you will finish it. 456, 909, 345, 112, 978. See the column, one column place value, one column of face value. Now your homework, fill in the blanks. In 356, the place value of 6 is in which place? Ones place. So you will write here ones. Now see 725, the place value of 7 is 700. Like this you will read the question and do it. Now write the place value and face value of the red color digit. 168. 6 is in red. That means you have to answer that only. Face value of 6 is 6 place. It will be same. It will not change. The first one I have done, and the place value will be 60. The next is 129. Face value will not change. It will be 9, and place value will be 9 ones. So here you will write 9 ones will be 9, and face value will be 9. Okay, the rest you will finish. Now see the true or false. The place value of 7 in 700 is 700s. Yes, it is true. The face value of 4 in 564 is 40. Face value will not change, so it is false. It will be 4. The place value of 8 in 458 and 338 is same. See 8, both are in same place. It is in ones place only. Okay, yes, it is true. The digit 6 stands for 6 tens in the number 406. It is in tens place? No, it is in ones place, so it is false. You will read the question, try to understand. Your mother will help it out. The place value and face value of 1 in 531 are the same. See, place value and face value. So place value of 1 is in ones place, and face value will not change, so it is also 1 only. Okay, so it is true. Now children, we will do with our maths activity. Tick the correct option. Now the first one, the place value of 3 in 532 is. So you have to check where 3 is. 532. Like this you will read out. Then you can put the correct option. Okay, 30. So it is 30. Now number 2, the place value of 4 in 482 is 400. So the answer will be 400. Okay, got it? Now question 3, the face value of 7 in 378 is face value. The face value will be the same. It never changes. So the answer is 7. Now question 4. The face value of 6 in 617 is. Yes, you try. Face value. Remember, face value. It does not change. It will be the same. So the answer is 6. Now question 5. The place value of 2 in 263 is at which place? In place value, you have to give the value to the numbers 100, tens, ones. So 263, answer will be 200s. Okay. Now the 6th question. Again see here, the place value of 5 in 315 is at, yes, you all try, 315. 5 is in which place? 5 ones. Now question 7, the place value of 6 in 760 is at, see, you have to find the value of 6 in 760. 6 is in 6 tens place. Got it? Now question 8. The place value of 5 in 507 is 500. You have to give it in true or false. See, 5 in 507 is 500. Yes, it is true. Okay, the value is in 500. Okay. Now question 9. The face value of 7 in 375 is 70. See, here the question is face value. Face value never changes. So it is true or false. The face value of 7 in 375 is 70. It is false. It will be 7. It is not 70. Now number 10. The place value of 8 in 228 and 418 is same. There are two numbers given. One is 228 and the another one is 418. Now you have to give the place value of 8. Now see, in both the numbers 8 is in ones place. So here the question is that it is same. Yes, it is true. In both the numbers 8 is in ones place. So the answer will be true. Okay, got it? Understood? So what is place value? In place value you have to give value of the numbers that will be in hundreds, tens, ones. And in face value nothing will change, the number will not change, it will be the same. Whatever the number is, it will be same in face value, and in place value it will change. You have to remember hundreds, tens, ones. You will read the numbers loudly so that you can give the correct answer in hundred, tens, ones. Okay children, thank you. And you will fill this form and submit. Okay.